Welcome back. Today we are going to see about how to thank in English. In English, you have several methods to thank someone who actually helps you, who does a favor for you, or someone who actually adds some value for your service or something. So, whenever you want to thank someone, so you can do that in a regular cliche way or in a different way. Since the language is getting its modern face, so it's good to always adapt to the contemporary systems and change the way we actually thank someone. So in order to do that, we can actually say like thank you, appreciate it, thanks, and cheese. So these are several ways, and the ways to use these kind of expressions are like if you want to thank someone, you can say like thank you so much or thank you very much. So it's a kind of saying thank you with a more expressive way. And if it is like thanks much, thanks a lot, thanks ton. So these are other way of expressing thanks to someone. So if someone does a really good job or if someone does a great favor for you, you can even say like appreciate it. Hey mate, I really appreciate your effort. Hi, it's much appreciated. Thank you for your support. Appreciate it. I appreciate the same. So these are a few other ways of saying like how helpful the other person was, how helpful his effort was, his action was. And if it is with your colleague or with your friends or close mates, you can say like cheers mate. Hey, thanks dude. Cheers mate. So cheers. So these are other ways of expressing thank you. So thanks for watching this video. I believe this is helpful for you. If you really like this, give me a thumbs up. If you want to share it with your friends and families, please do so. Subscribe to my channel for updates on new videos. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.